I got a call from a gorgeous couple who are just starting their lives together. They love each other very much. They love their new home, but they don't have a lot of love for their backyard. So you got the brand new house.
Yes.
Yep.
And you just need a brand new backyard.
We do.
Basically, yeah.
Simon and Lorena need a place to entertain their large extended families. So I'm going to build them a deck protected by a pergola covered in bamboo screens. We'll hide that air conditioner with a clever plant shelf and zone off the water tank and clothesline behind a screen. And that very plain fence will get a major facelift with a lick of paint and some decorative screens that'll be backlit at night. Now, nobody likes an ugly fence in the backyard, so I've got a beautiful system to take care of that. I've actually put a frame up all the way across the fence, and then I've put on top of it this really interesting decorative screen. Now, it's by my mates at White's. It's called OxyShield. I've positioned some low-voltage halogen lights between the back fence and the decorative screens. So when the lights come on, the botanical stencils will be illuminated in harmony with the garden. And when I put the foliage in front of it, it is tropical paradise. Goodbye fence, hello garden. I've got one more big problem to tackle in the backyard. Now, I don't want to stare at a clothesline or a rainwater tank, so I'm popping in this screen. This is called Screen Up. It's basically just spaces and timber slats going into a channel, cap on top, and that is it. So let's see what Lorena and Simon think.
Oh my God!
my-
That is crazy. Wow.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
I'm actually getting a bit emotional. I can imagine when Simon and I do start our own family that it's, I can picture us here.
Something tells me that this beautiful family will be making happy memories here for many years to come.